Hi, I'm Jade and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Inspire Me Career subscription box, which I recently came across and added on Facebook for. I love subscription boxes and I love anything to do like Korean beauty or anything like that, so thought might as well. So this subscription box is a monthly subscription box and you pay $15.99 a month for it, and you get a handful of like Korean goodies, some snacks, some beauty, some jewellery as well, I believe, and you also get like a booklet of all things to do with Korea. I'm not sure. So you can either do like a 1 month, 3 month or 12-month plan, much like Glossy Box. So the box is so much cuter than I thought it was going to be. So here's the box. It has all things like Korean on it. I'm definitely going to reuse the box because it's so cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it. Definitely going to reuse. So we open the box. Okay. Oh, lovely Korean hangul on the inside. Yep. Really nice blue tissue paper here. Open it up and have a look. I'm a sucker for any like subscription box though. And I'll leave a link to the subscription box down below. This is not sponsored or anything. Why would anybody sponsor me? I just like to spend my money on subscription boxes. Anyway, so first thing, there's a note here from the creators of the store. Happy Valentine's Day. It's a bit late, February's almost over, but nice little note there. I think it tells you what's in the box. Okay, so here's what I'm seeing right now. Hopefully you can see. So, first thing, there's this little thing. You get this card in the box as well, and it's like basically just like tags in what you've got and stuff like that. The thing which I'm very excited about is some ramen. Now I love ramen, so this is hot chicken flavored ramen. I'm very excited about this actually. I might have this for my tea tonight. It's pretty bomb in the picture as well. So yeah, it has cooking directions in English on it too. But liquid soup and cheese powder, okay. So I'm very excited about that. It's very good. It's a very big package as well. It's a very big package as well. So we got some ramen. Oh, this is cute. Because it's the year of the pig with Lunar New Year this year, they included some stickers of little piggies. That is so cute. I feel like Shane would be amazing, would be great for this. Oh, it's an Etsy shop. The Wednesday Company. Oh, and we've got a code to get 15% off. That's pretty cool as well. They're really cute. I don't know what I'll ever stick them on, but I'll find some playing. It's very cute. Next thing are these little treats. Two of them. I don't know what they are, but they say strawberry cream cheese on them. So they are. There's two of them. So I don't know what they are. They feel like biscuits, but open one. There we go. Okay, so you get 2 biscuits in the package. It smells so good. If you really like strawberry, it smells like amazing. More crunchy than I thought it was going to be, like, but From the smell, I thought it'd be a lot more strawberry-y, but it's really not. It's really like, there's not much taste to it, honestly. I'll still eat them now. I mean, of course I will. Okay, moving on, there is this headband, I'm assuming. Take out the plastic. Okay, so you get this headband, so when you do like your makeup or your skincare, it says cool enough studio, truth is the only self. Okay, so I'm assuming you would put it on and like wrap it around each other, like on your head, I'm assuming. I'm not sure how you'd actually wear this. Yeah, I'm assuming you would like put it on and wrap it, like, right? Please let me know how you would use these. Anyway, I'm not really sure how to use these. Please let me know if anybody has any idea how to actually use it. Probably just look up a tutorial. That's cool. I always love doing face masks and stuff. When you do makeup, you want it out of your face. Next we have this earring, which is a like recreation of the earring that BTS's V wore in his Singularity music video, which was amazing. And it's the Loved one, which is pretty nice. It's pretty good quality. I really like this actually. I'm not sure what, like, there's only one effect because that's what he wore in the video, but like I'm not sure what you would wear with this. Would you just wear it on its own? Let's put it on, shall we? Very much like a statement piece. I think his was like actually Gucci or something, but very good. Like, what do you think? It's got a very decent weight to actually. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be, but like, well, I'll leave it on, shall I? So that's pretty cool. Like, especially for like a K-pop fan and a BTS fan, this would be like really cool. So I'll figure out how to wear it because I do love BTS, so we'll do that. It's weird having one side with an earring though. I don't know how people do this. I don't know how Bunny does this all the time. Rebecca, like, I don't know how. She only has one in. I guess she's used to it. She's done it for years. So the last, or second to last thing in the box is this face mask from Rose Heart. I think that's the name of the company, I'm not sure. It's a Rose Heart Daily Brightening Pink mask. And it looks very cute. Like, and if you look closely, it seems like the eyes on the mask are love hearts. If you can, hopefully that's like showing like here. This is cool. I've never had one with like this extra thingy. So it says this is a moisturising cream in this heart here. So you put the mask on, and then after you take it off you put the moisturising cream on after it. Oh, it says 2-step mask there. It's a very cute packaging though, like, oh my god. I'm excited to try this out. I'm very excited. I love sheet masks. I'm very excited to try this out. I do love a good sheet mask, so it's very appreciated. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is the booklet that comes in every month. And it has, this one's issue 37, so I'm a bit behind. But it basically has like different, what's this called? Different guides to Korea, what's going on in February, all about love and how couples date in Korea. Valentine's Day, East versus the West, which is pretty cool. Like, so how Valentine's Day is different here in the UK compared to how it is in Korea. The dating culture, Oh, that's cool. K-beauty breakdown. So it breaks down the steps of a K-beauty skincare routine, which is pretty awesome. We've got interviews. Oh, we've got recipes. Strawberry rice cake recipe. That's pretty cool. I might have to have a go. That's cool. I like this. I'll definitely have a flip through this and read through that. So that is everything that came in February's box. Actually I like this a lot. I definitely might get another one. I'm very excited about the ramen. And I quite like this earring. And I'm excited to read through that book actually and try the face mask. The only thing that was like, with the headband, because I don't really understand how to use it. But other than that, I'm very excited to try everything else, and I would recommend this to anybody who wants to try a little bit of everything green, because there were snacks, jewellery, a face mask, like a head accessory, ramen in here, like pretty good. So I'll leave the link to them below if you would want, like, once again not sponsored, but thought I would share. I'm gonna reuse the box and everything, so yeah. Overall, big thumbs up from me. I like this box a lot. It's very cute. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, night, whatever. Bye.